Oh, hetem is tiresome. If we'll hold Tamkik is nepa, so you don't have the case of hetem.
What do you mean in the same case?
Well, in the same case.
But you can have in Shitos both.
Yeah.
You can hold that when you have separate, I'm also hetem is type lisu.
Yeah.
And when it's combined, I'm holding this tamkika. I can hold in Shita the both case, but I never have one case that have both.
Yeah.
But I don't mean because I hold that that is tamkika, not hetem is lisu, that I don't agree with
but
different
let's understand a little bit. Why? If I have two in one case, I have two things. Let's slowly. I can't. 1 second. Why don't I say first hetem and start please? And I don't have a problem.
Where is your heter?
What's his problem?
Where is your heter? If you hold an heter, you become asur.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you don't have heter anymore. So you don't have room to say heter mistake.
No.
Because heter means you have an heter, you have an isur, and even like that, the heter help you to be over on the isur. It's a big chidush to say that I have an heter. And I have to separate, and because I eat them bebasechat, my heter help me, give me the genim, help me to be over an isur. Big chidush. So that I have an heter and I have an isur. But if I hold like Rashi, that when they mix up, the heter is not here anymore.
That's right.
The heter is ma'afar.
There's no heter mistaf.
So it's no heter. It's a different story.
That's right.
But that don't mean that if you hold tamkeika like Rashi, that the heter me'afar isur, that in a case, in a different case.
That's right.
Where I will be both.
That's right. Where they're separate.
Good.
But we do see in one part that this is true. Okay. Now let's now project from here.
Does it depend
What?
on your definition of heter?
What?
It depends on what your definition of heter start list is. How does that work?
Exactly.
Maybe heter start list was also ma'apor ma'apech.
Why
Why not? How does it work? Where does it come from? It's Mistari. Where is Mistari? What is it?
It has to be a din.
It helps you to be over an issue. It's a big.
Because usually they're two separate entities. The din says that.
It didn't say that
Eat a basach has the tziyus.
you eat the basai. So did not eat
So it's in ma'apech or not?
That is more like you say, like Isaac said.
Huh?
You need a volume of achila.
So I'll tell you why I want to grip into the problem. Because he holds later. I hold one svar, the other one's pshita. Which is more pashut? In other words, which is more pashut? How does it work? And are they exclusive, not exclusive to the other one? Are they exclusive terms or not? This is an important problem too. We got to solve.
But technically, it's a bomba kasha against Rashi.
Yeah, what's the
Even
bomba?
a shitaso.
Just show me.
Because here, when you said iruvo, Rashi said iruvo here.
Yeah. Iruvo is tamkika.
Iruvo is tamkika. How can you define here?
That's a very strong.
That's not a Russian Rashi.
Okay, but it's also a problem with Rashi.
Yeah, but Rashi says it.
Rashi said iruvo.
They know. That's a big kasha. How can it be? It doesn't exist.
Exactly.
It means that they're opposite terms. In this case. And then he puts it together, which is crazy. That's really the strong kasha.
I didn't read the answer.
He answers by saying you don't hold tamkik at this point, which comes out. You're gonna get. That's why I said the historical. I gotta run out. The historical logical approach comes out. They come out the Gemara. This Gemara didn't have. He's going. Abai was going the shitas of Rabbi Yochanan. Why don't we answer very simple? Abai holds the shitas of Rabbi Yochanan. Anything but Rashi is difficult. A lot of these questions we can say Abaya holds the shita of Rabbi Yochanan. There's no kasha Abaya l'didei. Why can't you say that? Abaya l'didei holds one thing, but he's talking a libra shita of Rabbi Yochanan, which is a Rabbi Yochanan of the of Chulin over there. You have Rabba that he holds Tamkika's Lav Darais, and the Mela we don't have this problem.
You said like that, right?
No, but we're gonna get involved with the Gemaras. You have one Gemara. If you read the Gemara Pesachim simply, you'll say it's only Dafka Libra Rabbi Akiva. He's saying the word, and other places not really. He's on his own. What happened over here? This is like a Stam Gemara. We have to get involved with Gemaras versus Gemaras. How it works. I have to run. I hate to tell you, but please go over the piece well. You're going to see a lamd and a master in the piece, and the master is a master, and you cannot find many pieces like this. You already know the svaras, you're already involved in Tamkika, you already went through Reb Chaim Levi, and you got the beautiful thing. And you got to work out the pieces a little bit. I'm interested in basically Shitas Rashi. I will not do more than Shitas Rashi. When I come back, I'll be involved.
Just done that.
Just Shitas Rashi. And I will talk about it. There's Rashboard, there's Rabbi Tam. I want to say Kaddish Rabbanan, I gotta run.